Hi there, my name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. In this video I'm going to show you how to link your entire blog list or post link list to the actual post or blog. So as if you can see here, only certain bits are linked. You've got this element and that link there. I'll show you how to link the whole thing, so whenever they just come over the image or any bit of the text, it can link straight to the blog post. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also check out the link in my description to see how I make money online. So I'll go back to the editor. So it's really simple. So you just click on the actual post, then you've got your post list there. You go down to where it says link entire item to content, click that on. We'll just save and preview. So if we go down, so now you see the image, the whole post link is actually a link now. So no matter where you click on it, you're going to go straight to your blog post. Okay, that's it. My name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Don't forget to subscribe and link down below, and also check out the link in my description for how I make money online, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.